Hello everyone, my name is Larisa Lamin, and first of all, I'm actually surprised that I could make it here. I wasn't expecting to achieve this all. But yeah, first of all, I would like to thank God for being with me throughout my journey and for helping me to reach this. Because without him, I don't think I'll be able to be here. And of course, my teachers who have always helped me when I had any questions with my studies, they have always been there to explain my questions and help me out even during exams. And of course, my parents, my loved ones, and everyone in the family who have always been encouraging me, and yeah, all my friends. I usually study 2 hours in the afternoon after school, 1 hour before sleeping, and 1 hour in the morning before school.
Okay.
Well, I would just like to say always try your best, no matter how hard it is. Giving up is never an option. As long as you try your best, you'll always get there. Through all the hardships, you'll always be there. And yeah, always put God first before you do anything, and always pray, and He'll always be there too.
I was just overwhelmed. I never expect that we'll be on the top. But God is good. So He's wonderful. We can see that the work of God and the work of our teacher. I know school is a teamwork. And I want to thank all the teachers and my headmistress for their hard work. We have 88 students. And out of that, 2 students did not get through. 87%. Yes. From our school, this is the first time that we are on the top, but we used to be topper in other subjects like Meso and Alti and other subjects, but to be on the top 10, number 1 like this school, I think this is the first time.
For more news updates, subscribe, like and share.